Hi, I'm Todd.
And I'm Andrea. We're the Hilton Home Team, and today we're talking about something crucial in real estate negotiations. Factors beyond just the price.
Now, when you're buying or selling a home, it's easy to think price is the only thing that matters. But in reality, there are several other factors that can be just as important in getting the deal done, or even making the deal better for both parties.
Exactly. Let's start with one that's often overlooked: closing date flexibility. Timing can be everything. For sellers, being flexible on your closing date can make your offering much more attractive to a buyer who might need extra time to sell their current home or maybe arrange financing.
On the flip side, if you're a buyer and you can accommodate the seller's preferred timeline, you might find that your offer is accepted even if it's not the highest one. It's all about being able to meet the other party's needs and finding a win-win solution.
Another big factor is appliances and fixtures. Sometimes these things can be a real sticking point in negotiations. Buyers may want the home to come with certain appliances, maybe a washer, dryer, fridge. Sellers, on the other hand, might be thinking of taking those things with them.
It's important for both sides to be clear on what's staying and what's going. Including key appliances in the sale can make a buyer more excited about the property and might be a great way for a seller to add value without dropping the price.
That's really true. And another element that often comes up is repairs and improvements. During negotiations, buyers might want repairs done before closing or a reduction in the price to cover a cost of those repairs.
As a seller, offering to handle minor repairs could make your home more attractive without having to negotiate a lower price. And buyers, being open to accepting the home as is in exchange for other concessions, can sometimes get you a better deal.
It all comes down to looking beyond the price tag. Price is critical, of course, but often it's the flexibility, the added inclusions, the handling of repairs that can make a deal work more smoothly and keep both parties happy.
Absolutely. Real estate negotiations are about understanding each other's needs and being open to compromise. Whether you're buying or selling, having these factors in mind can make all of the difference.
At the Hilton Home Team, we're here to guide you through the entire negotiation process, helping you consider all these key factors so you can get the best deal possible.
Now, if you have any questions about negotiating a real estate deal, feel free to reach out to us.
And remember, it's not just about the price. There is always more to the deal. Thanks for watching.